Alright, guys. Just as I promised a couple days ago that I was going to do a review on the Aston Martin once it comes out. I did get it when it come out. Now, a couple days later, just as I promised, I've been busy. Sorry, guys. And when I started researching, I found quite a few different cool information, unique about it. So anyways, it's a new for 2019, number 235 out of 250. Hot Wheel Exotics, 3 out of 10. Aston Martin Vulcan. There were only 24 Hot Wheel cars, 24 cars that were produced, as you know. Only 3 of them in US. They're racetrack only. And on the racetrack days, there are some like big cities that have racetracks, and they have a day where a lot of exotic cars and hypercars meet up and get to test out, push their limits, and all. You know, on those track days, you have to have a what's called approval from the factory in order to take this car for a ride, even though if you own one. And I know there's only 3 in US, like I said. I believe one is black, one green, and one red or something, but those 3 colors. Anyways, let's just open it and see in better details. So, oh wait, before I open, do you have to call Aston Martin factory or Hot Wheels factory and ask their approval? Because I know it's kind of stupid. You know, you own the car and you want to take it on a racetrack. But as far as I know, Ferrari FXX also does that. But anyways, let's go back to this Hot Wheel. Designer of this Hot Wheel was Ru Asada. So I've showed a couple of pictures of him, a couple of videos when the cars that he designed. He actually designed quite a few of them. So anyways, let's just read this in the back. Aston Martin Vulcan. Exotic supercars always ready to race. This was also what's called I believe they made in the same factory where they did the 177, Aston Martin 177. The same designer that designed that also, Marek Reichman. That's what his name. He designed Aston Martin in real life. So let's look at this for it now. Pretty close. Nice green color. I'll black out the skirts. Aston Martin logo, air vents, blackout roof, headlights, big spoiler, big tail lights. That's where they actually got from for DB11. That little, you know how they have that little circle, not circle, but a line all the way across. So there you go. Big diffusers or skirts. What's it called? I forgot. Sorry, it's late right now. So, anyways, in 2017, Aston Martin Vulcan also revealed skirts or design for the AMR Pro. Here's a picture of it. I'm sure it's going to cost them pretty penny. A lot of stuff like that costs pretty penny, especially oil changes and all. And every single part is going to cost a lot of money. So anyways, I couldn't find the detail how much it costs to remodify from Vulcan to AMR Pro. So if you guys know how much, feel free to comment down below. If you can, send me a link or something to prove some kind of proof of what it cost. That way I can have a little more information. Also, there's only one car that was actually had to be redesigned because the guy wanted it. Cost him pretty penny, I guess, to do a street legal car. Aston Martin Street Legal. It took him, that group, 18 months to redesign. They had to open up the headlights, make it a little more bigger than just small little headlights. And they had to do a lot of modifications on it to make a street legal. So here's a picture of that one and only car. So yes, if you guys, like I said, if you guys have any information about that too, please comment down below. Send a link so I can have some kind of proof. You know, instead of just somebody yapping out or comment whatever the number they feel like. But as of now, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. One other thing I forgot, the name Vulcan. In Russian, it means volcano. But Vulcan is a Roman Greece, Roman god, Vulcan, which means god of fire. So that's where you can see the same resemblance of volcano and all, because it's a god of fire, spits lava, causes a lot of fire. Anyways, that's where that means. Aston Martin Vulcan is the god of fire. Just like Pagani Huayra. Huayra means god of the wind. So, here you go, guys. As of now, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe down below. Tell me what car you want me to do review. Tell me what you want to do. Like, tell me how fast I'll go if I put on the speed track, racetrack down the stairs. And will it win the 4-lane elimination and a couple other games that I have. So, as of now, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe down below. Share. I'd love to hear your feedbacks. And have a good day.